Hey guys, so we're back today and we're gonna be cooking a rabbit two different ways. How he's gonna cook it?
Over a fire,
And I'm gonna cook it over a pan, and we're gonna see whose tastes better.
what I got here is a squirrel or a squirrel leg and a rabbit leg. I got pepper, tenderizer, seasoned with spices, olive oil in a pan, and I'm gonna be cooking it on that fire.
All right.
So now we're gonna put the chicken in.
The rabbit, you mean?
The rabbit and the squirrel. There's the first one.
Oh yeah.
Second one. And
Wow, that's loud.
yeah, there's big one.
Yep. So we're gonna leave that to sit for a few minutes.
Now we're gonna put the seasoned or the tenderizer in.
Talk loud because the oil is bubbling.
Now we're gonna put the tenderizer in, and you just go like that.
All right, looks good.
That. And now we're gonna put the pepper on.
Pepper, okay.
A little bit of pepper. A bit of that.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna need to do it to the other side.
All right, and that's it.
All right, we're gonna flip it now. We gotta see if the handle's hot. Yeah, it's a little bit hot, so.
Just take here. You let me do it.
Nope.
Just don't burn your sweatshirt. That would be bad. Now you just take off. Oh, there's like a steam hole. That's cool.
Yeah. And then.
Let me take off the lid.
Yeah.
Don't on the plastic wrap. All right.
Take off that.
Oh yeah. Now Howie's gonna flip it, and then we're gonna put it back on. Ah.
Flip it.
Oh yeah. That was good, man.
And then we're gonna put some more tenderizer on this side.
Oh yeah.
And now we're gonna leave it. And then like that. And it's hot, it's hot.
I know it is, isn't it?
And then that.
Then put it
pepper.
back in as soon as you can.
All right. Now we're gonna put
All
it
right.
back in.
Put it back in. Great. All right. While Howie's finishes up cooking, I'm gonna start mine. Got the stove. Got my olive oil. I'm just gonna let that cook, and then my spices are gonna be smoked paprika, and we're gonna have cumin and salt, and that's it. All right, guys. I'm gonna put in the rabbit leg now. Hopefully it doesn't burn. Ah, it didn't burn me, but that's okay. Okay. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, maybe I'll turn it down. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna turn it down to like 3. Ow! Alright, I'm gonna call you when I'm about to flip it. Well, now I'm gonna put in my seasonings. I'll first put in the smoked paprika. Let's see here. Oh! Alright. Then, that smells really good. A little bit of salt. And then, we're going to flip that in a couple of minutes. Alright, I'm going to flip it now. Whoop. Oh, that looks good. Now I'm going to add some more seasoning. Smoked paprika. Right on top of that. Now a little bit more salt. Then just a little bit of this. Not a lot though, because I already got a lot of paprika. Alright, we're going to let that sit, and we're going to flip it a couple more times. This is Howie's final product. He has the meat right there, and he has some ramen noodles. And then I have mine, and we're going to eat them now. Okay, I'm super excited to try this. Come get us close up. So I'm going to try it real quick. That is so good. Okay.
So now we're on to mine. We're first gonna try the ramen noodles.
You didn't make the ramen.
I know, but it's really good.
I can't see with your hat when you're facing down.
Yeah, that's really good.
Try your meat now, son.
Yeah, I know. First, we're gonna try the squirrel meat.
No, I didn't make it squirrel meat. It was only rabbit, but okay. Rabbit.
All right, now we're gonna go on to the rabbit, and
Good.
yeah.
All right.
All right, now we're gonna show it to our family and see what they think.
All right. Now my dad tried it.
Ooh,
Daddy can ask.
tasty.
Now Harry's gonna try it. You can't get it.
Can I try?
Do you like it?
Love
What do you think?
I think it's delicious.
it.
Very good.
Love
Well done.
Thank you.
All right, now Harry's gonna try the squirrel meat real quick. There's a bone.
Nibble around that sides. How is it?
Good. All right, now my dad's gonna try the rabbit.
Ooh.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Tasty.
Did you eat the bone?
All right. Now I'm gonna try some of Howie's meat real quick. It's good. It kind of reminds me of crunch. Okay. Now Howie's gonna try some of my meat.
All right, now I'm gonna try some of Ryder's meat, and let's just dig right in. That's really good.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. All right. I'm gonna try his food now. I'm gonna try his ramen.
Did you just throw up all over my ramen?
I'm joking.
I'm still recording. Okay.